a very important video about how to design and create a very good poster for scientific research or for a prototype in STEM education high schools in Egypt and outside Egypt. Before we start this video, please subscribe to the channel to reach every important and useful video we upload in the channel. And by subscription, we are appear in the search engines such as Google and YouTube. Please like if you like this video and share the video with others if you see that it's useful. So designing good poster for a scientific research or a prototype involves a combination of effective visual communication and clarity of information. Here are some tips you have to follow to reach this value. The poster will help you in presenting your prototype or research in the exhibition day for the evaluators or the judges. So you have first the best and important thing in designing and creating your poster, you have to follow the rubric of the organization or the university or the high school you are a member in it. Also, in this article, I will put this HTML link in the description, and there is a YouTube video, another YouTube video. You can watch it. Many YouTube videos specify different point in the poster for the STEM education. The first thing, understand your audience and categorize them. Define the purpose. Clearly state the purpose of your research or prototype. What problem does it solve and why it's important. Create a good design. You can follow a template, PowerPoint template or a Word template. It depends on the organization you are following. Then organize your information. Divide the poster into sections: introduction, objective, methods, results, conclusion, LO, citation or reference links, and future work or recommendations. Use clear headings and subheadings to guide the reader. Words should be as keywords and good summarized of the problem and the solution. Be sure of no plagiarized content. مفيش غش طبعا. أهم حاجة. To follow the poster rubric very carefully as the range of words for each part in the poster. كل part في الانترودكشن أو في الاناليسيز أو في السوليوشن أو حتى في الريزلتس أو الكونكلوجن have some words 20 words 20 words 30 words 40 words and so on. Should be small brief of the portfolio. هو شكل مصغر من البورتفوليو. يعني البورتفوليو مثلا بيتكلم في 30 صفحة، هو الشكل simplified and very summarized, but all the content on the portfolio you will show in just this اللوحة ديت يعني أو الفرخ الورق دوت. Visually hierarchy. Emphasize key points using a clear visual hierarchy. Important information should be more prominent or tipped. Use larger fonts for headings and concise legible fonts for body text like standard. Graphics and image. Use high quality image, tables, charts, graphs, and diagrams, or SketchUp drawing or AutoCAD drawing. Ensure the visuals are directly related to the content and enhance understanding. Color scheme. You have to use a white background and simple colors. Don't go more than 3 colors. Colors to highlight important elements and create cohesive look. Consistent branding or logo of your school or university should be appear in the head part. White space as background. Use white background. Readable fonts. Use legible fonts with good contrast against the background. use Times New Roman or the font which is specified by the organizer or the school you are following. Build bullet points and short sentences. Break down information into bullet points and concise sentences for easy readability. Avoid long paragraphs and use QR codes or links so the evaluator can take a picture for QR code and follow it after the presentation. Proofread, slowly proofread your poster is ensure or to ensure there are no type or grammatical errors or spelling errors. Feedback. Seek feedback from colleagues or mentors before printing it. It's very important to show the poster for some evaluator, friends or experts or older students than you or the teachers or the Capstone teachers. As example, practice your pitch elevator and use it in presenting before the exception. So you are familiar with the poster and record some video while you are using your poster in the presenting. The last one, printing. Ensure high quality printing for clear text and graphics in the office where you will print or the workshop where you will print this poster. Check the size requirements for the event or conference. Remember, the goal is to effectively communicate your research or prototype to your audience, so simplicity and clarity are key are keys for success of your presenting and the poster usage through presenting in the exhibition day. In the description, there will be a video about how to do a very good presentation in your exhibition day. This will help you to gain success for you and for your teamwork. Please subscribe to the channel, as I said to you, to reach every important and useful video upload in this channel, and same time by your subscription we are reaching Google and YouTube. Like the video if you like it and share it with your colleagues or students so they can gain benefits and the useful of this video. Thanks for watching the video.